Hello everyone, we have a exported 3D model here. Now we want to bake the light map. For baking the light map, set your model into a static. Drag your pointer into your scene. Duplicate and rotate and rescale randomly to create a beautiful jungle. Nice. You cannot use the tree creator wind shaders for light mapping because it has a wind effect. You need to use the universal lit or simple lit for light mapping. Your models all must be set to as a static. You need to generate light map UV. Set this to the 10 and press apply. Now we are ready to bake the lighting. For light map baking, I want to disable the sunlight. From rendering, create a new light setting. Switch to the progressive GPU. From here, switch to the bake light map to see the light map baking. Here you can increase or decrease the light map resolution to find a good and optimize it light map setting. Okay, now we want to bake the ambient lighting. To bake the ambient lighting, generate the lighting. As you can see, the scene is a bit dark. You need to increase the indirect intensity. Increase a bit light map resolution. As you can see, we have a very nice light map. The ambient lighting has been baked into the scene. This is the ambient lighting has been baked into the scene. Now you can easily enable your sun and use the real-time lighting. As you can see, the scene looks good with ambient lighting and the sun is movable. If you remove the lighting, you will see no ambient lighting on your scene. This is not useful for mobile platform. Also, another way is baking completely the scene. So switch your sunlight to the baked and bake your lighting. This will completely bake the lighting, the sunlight and ambient light. As you can see, the lighting completely baked into your scene. The sunlight has been baked too. Now we have a very well optimized lighting for mobile platforms. I hope this video be useful to you.